In the last video, we looked at how internet marketers can use Periscope. If you're running a small business though, you need to take a slightly different approach. For example, you won't want to go the personal route and show those insights into your daily life. What you can do though is give some personality by showing behind the scenes. This is just one exciting type of content that businesses can use, and once again it builds trust. For instance, how about showing off your kitchen? This is something that can always impress for a restaurant as it shows the thought, care and attention that goes into your food. Show the artistry behind your craft and people will be both interested and inspired to try what you've created. Likewise, you can also live stream your business itself. Let people visit you remotely and thereby become more interested, and they might come in to see for themselves for real. And this works particularly well for local businesses, and in general, Periscope is a fantastic tool for local business thanks to that map feature. You can also use Periscope to do Q&As for your business and to show off your products live. And if you're launching some kind of event, then that's the perfect opportunity to get people involved on Periscope. Likely, if your business isn't focused on media creation and internet marketing, as it is for a professional marketer, then you probably won't want to invest all of your time into creating content for the web. However, what you can still do is to stream events, interviews, Q&As, and backstage passes, and then promote those through social media. This will both help you to build more brand visibility and trust with your existing fans, and it's going to help new people discover your organization. Remember that one of the best things about live video streaming is that you can simply set up a camera in the corner of the room. The longer you leave it running, the more followers you'll get, and there's no reason that you have to change your routine at all if you have an exciting and bustling business. Note that this means it makes sense to get another phone or tablet that you can use to film your footage so that you can still make calls and do other things.